to share with you a Google Chrome extension called Kami that will help your students be able to write on documents, write on PDFs, and write on Google Docs. So what you want to do is you want to go to chrome.google.com, and this will pull up. You're going to click on extensions, and then you're going to type in Kami. Now, I will say that students do need to have a Gmail account, at least that's been my experience, but it's so worth it. So if we could start talking with our students about having a Gmail account for this, I think it would be really helpful. So mine says that it is added, but you will click add to Chrome if you do not have it already. And then you'll see that it pops up here on the top, and it's a K. So when you want to, after you've downloaded it, you have to sign in, do a couple of things. It's very easy, just follow the prompts. Then you're going to click on the K when you want to use it, and it will allow you to pull up something either from Google Drive, from your computer. This is set up to do Google Classroom. Obviously, we don't use that one, so I just click from Google Drive. Then it will open up to your drive. I'm going to click on my 7th grade toolbox. I've already made a copy like I was a student of the 101 toolbox. I'm going to click on that, and I started writing on it. Once it loads, you will see that I have already written on it. There's a bunch of tools on the left-hand side. Select tool, you can have a hand tool. Over here is the drawing tool. And so you can actually draw on this, you can write, and you can see that I have already written add and subtract, I've written my notes, but what I really like about this is that it stays. So I can move this down, I can watch my next video, and to do that I just click select, go to using a number line video, and then I can write on it. If I go back to drawing, they could do lots of other things, text box, equation, drawing, markup, all of that. So I hope that helps you. If you have any questions about Kami, let me know. I'm still learning about it, but I wanted to get it out there so you knew that this was an option for our students.